Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna unbox Offbit gaming mouse which I ordered from Amazon. You can purchase it. The link is in description below. So first let me cut this wrapper. So let me cut this wrapper perfectly, and this is the box of our gaming mouse. As you can see, it is Offbit gaming wired mouse. Let's open this box. Ooh, as you can see the quality of the wire, which is really awesome. As you can see this quality of this wire. This is really awesome guys. The wire is 1.5 meter long. Now let's remove this cover. Yeah, this is our mouse. This mouse is actually heavier than my previous mouse. This is a blue color sticker. You can remove it if you want to remove. In the bottom of the mouse, there is a plating of metal, as you can see here. The length of this mouse is 13.5 cm and the height is 5 cm. The weight of this mouse is 117 gram. You can see some technical specification here. Okay, so let me focus the camera. So these are the technical specification of this mouse. Okay, so let's move forward. The wheel is very smooth and there is no sound of click button. That means it has silent click. There are two more buttons as it is a gaming mouse. You can go forward with the use of this button and you can come back with the use of this button. But yes, in these two buttons you can hear the click sound like this. And it has 4 DPI settings up to 6400. And here is the DPI button. You can change the DPI from here. Let me show you the function of this mouse in my laptop. So guys, this is my laptop, and as I told you that the quality of this wire is really awesome and this USB is amazing. So now I'm connecting my mouse with this laptop. Wow, you can see the RGB lights, which is really awesome, and it will work very smoothly in your computer, as you can see guys. Now guys, let me turn off the lights of my room, then I will show you the RGB lights. So now as you can see the lights, this is an amazing mouse. You can see the light effects which make this mouse awesome. So as you can see it guys, here is the screenshot of this mouse. As you can see it in the screen. So this mouse is only of 549 Indian rupees. So you can purchase it. The link is in description below. I ordered it from Amazon. So that's all for today's video. If you have any query, you can comment down. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.